Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we're going to do this aspect of shahada is called tasdeeq bil lisan, where it's the proclamation that you make with your tongue, and then after that it's it's al iman bil qalb, it's belief in the heart, which comes from a person naturally, and then it's amal bil jawarih, and then you start doing the actions, praying and all the different things. But it all begins with tasdeeq bil lisan, and we'll recite the Arabic, and then after that we'll do the translation. So just repeat after me as best as you can. I'll try to do it slower. I know with Sam I did it a little faster because he's an expert already, man.
Oh wow. Not me.
Do a little slower.
Do slow, yeah.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
illa
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadun
Muhammadun
abduhu
Abdu
wa rasuluh.
wa Rasul.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is none
that there is none
worthy
worthy
of worship
of worship
except
except
Allah,
Allah.
and I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his servant
is his servant
and his messenger.
and his messenger.
Congratulations.
Takbir.
All the sisters, make sure to welcome the sister to Islam, hug her, and all the brothers. Marwa Islam.
Thank you. He's talking about thank you. Talking me. Thank you.
وجئت ألقي أسايا وأشتكي طي صدري دربا سحيق العطايا به بدأت ولكن لم أدري ما منتهايا لم أدري يأسي
So proud of you. So proud of you.
Congratulations.
You're part of a family of like over 1 billion Muslims.
Yeah. I'm excited. God,
ولا عرفت ضحايا ولا لي